Remember the childhood lessons about saving money? We all had that piggy bank or a jar filled with coins that were meant to grow into the future fortune. Well, let me break it to you. The wealthy, they play a different game, and it's called leveraging debt. Don't panic yet. I'm not suggesting you max out your credit cards or get knee deep in loans. I'm talking about strategic debt, a powerful tool that the rich use to amplify their wealth. They capitalize on the fundamental principles of OPM, or other people's money. Now, you may be wondering, what's this OPM? Simply put, it's using borrowed money to fund investments, allowing them to invest in bigger opportunities than their own money would allow. And that's where debt can really become your ally. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you invest $100,000 of your own money into a property and it appreciates by 5%. Congratulations, you made a $5,000 gain. But suppose you take a $500,000 mortgage and buy a $600,000 property, and that same 5% appreciation happens. That translates into a $30,000 gain. That, my friends, is the magic of leverage. It's crucial to understand that not all debt is the same. There's good debt and there's bad debt. Good debt puts money in your pocket. It's a mortgage for a rental property or a loan for a business that generates more income than the debt payments. On the flip side, there's bad debt. It takes money out of your pocket. It steals you of your future. It's credit cards or a car loan, which, while nice to have, don't generate income and could leave you strapped, missing future opportunities. So the wealthy, they have a secret. Understand the difference. Harness the power of good debt and avoid the pitfalls of bad debt. Watch your wealth grow. You'll be surprised what a few dollars can do. So are you ready to shift your mindset and perhaps your strategy? That's great. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insight into wealth building strategies. And remember, the road to wealth isn't all about being debt free. It's about using every tool in your arsenal very wisely. And yes, that does include debt. If you'd like to learn more about leveraging other people's money and debt, you can go to my website in the description. If you find value from this video, hit the like and subscribe for future content.